Some of you didn't believe me that some man at the gym asked me how my hair looks so good at 9 a.m. And the fact that a different man today told me my hair looked good, I mean, I just had to give you guys a tutorial. First of all, I was using these curling heatless rods wrong for quite a while, and now I have all the tips and tricks. You want a really soft one. You do not want a foam one. It is so hard to sleep. Now, if your hair is dirty, mine is, you want to go in with dry shampoo first, and then I like to wet a brush and kind of get more of the ends just slightly damp. Go in with some leave-in conditioner. Then I'm grabbing an 1.5-inch roller and I'm rolling up the very front piece of my hair, like my little curtain bangs. I'm rolling away from my face. This is so important because it's going to give me those like blowout bangs. Then I'm putting the soft curling rod through that roller. I will then clip in the roller so it stays. Starting with a super small section of hair, you're going to curl away from your face, pulling up. This is going to help give you volume at the roots. I wrap each hair around twice and then I pick up more hair. This helps so much with it staying in place. I'm picking up small pieces of hair and I'm keeping that rod as close to my face as possible. As I get closer to my neck, I'm going to start pulling the hair towards the back of my head because I want the end of the rod to kind of fall behind my shoulder, if that makes sense. So you'll tie that with a scrunchie and then do the same thing on the other side. Once they're both done, you're going to take a third scrunchie and tie that in the back of your head. I then wet my hands a little, work that into the hair, then you'll go to sleep, and if you wrap it tight enough, you should wake up and everything should still be in place no matter how crazy you sleep. Take that bad boy out and prepare to get compliments all day long. Thanks for watching, bye!